video I am going to show you from the Foodics-Odoo how we can sync combo products. So I just log in the Foodics, and here you can see it's trying to open the dashboard and it's taking some load. But now we can go to the under the menu, we can find a combo, and here we have already defined a combo products like combo 1 and combo 2, and under that, like, we can define a multiple groups, and in the groups we can have an option to select the products. So this kind of configuration we can do. Then we just need to order. So for that, let's add an order and selecting branch, and just selecting the customers. So we can select the customer and selecting the products. So selecting categories and products. So in the product, when we select the product, it will open pop-ups and allow us to select groups and particular products as well as. So we can add it, just add products which we want, and then we just adding a products. So here you can see the total combo, and we have added as per the combo, like the product price is like that, 41.50. maybe we can add a discount, and let's add a discount with 10 and save it, so it will be 31.13. So now we just pay with cash. Once we pay, so it will automatically order will sync up to the Odoo, and then let's pay it, and then let's check in the Odoo. So now in Odoo we can see the order is came up. The order reference is 227. So here we can see all the information, like french fries, then extra cheese burger is already there. In the french fries, like, we have added an extra cheese combo, like it's a combo of these three products. So even whatever the tax is configured, so that also will coming. Then you can see the discount also coming as we have defined there, and the total also are coming. We can maybe check and confirm the total from the Foodics. Let's check to the orders. Let's go to the orders, and yes, so here you can see the order reference also the same, customer also the same, the total also coming same, all the details are coming like as we have ordered, like in the Foodics all the information are coming correctly. So all the total also coming same. So this is all for the combo products. We can have another video for another features. So have a good day.